Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be seeing how smart am I. So let's get to it. So as you see, I failed this first one. No, which one of the five is least like the other four? Dogs, elephant, right? Elephant. Oh wait, it was what? Snake? Okay, that was weird. There's no way that was a snake. Well, continue. Continue. Yeah. It took so long. Alright, can you which one of these five choices makes the best comparison figure? Bark, Twin, Blossom? No! It was Twig. But guys, don't judge me. I'm only in the second grade. I'm only 7 years old. So you can't judge me. I'll be 8 in 2 months though, but you still can't judge me. Alright. Which one of these words do not title animals? Tyrannosaurus Rex. Tyrannosaurus Rex is a dinosaur, not an animal. Well, I guess it's kind of... What the... How... What? Oh. What am I thinking? How did I not see that? How did I not see that right there? How did I not see that? What is this? Observation of parent T3Q6 and 9K12 H15 E8. What comes next? B. Yeah! That one I know. Alright. Are there more? Okay, I've been on this one for way too long. I've been on this one for like 10 minutes, something like that. So now, let's switch to another one. Oh no. Get that. We can get that out of here. Yeah. Now, smart quiz. Oh, and have you guys heard about have any of you guys heard about the hurricane that might hit? Yes. I've heard it. My mom's talking about it on the news, but now she's not watching it because she already watched the news. But she's going to watch the news again at 10 o'clock when I'm going to go to bed. Right now it's 9:27 at night, so yeah. Alright. Now, which one are you going to do? Let's try this one. USA's most accurate online IQ test. Start the test. Start test. Hopefully mine just goes up and doesn't go down. Alright. It says the best. Oh, wow. Okay. This one. A. Yeah. Alright. So there's 20 of these, so I can skip it? What? Why would I want to do that if I'm trying to get smarter? Alright. This one, cause it kind of matches this one, just not in the same diagonal direction. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. This one. This is kind of easy. this one. It kind of matches that. Yeah, right. Choose the opposed shape in A. Oh, okay. I'm gonna try putting a different one and see what happens. And I guess this one doesn't matches this one more. Oh, but it just skipped all of them. I want number 10. Look, it skipped number 9. Go back. Take that. Number 10. 38. I'm gonna try them in order. 198. Hiya! Okay, this one's kind of tricky. I'm gonna try this one. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna try this down arrow. 15 out of 20. Only 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more. Alright. Let's see. This one. Yeah. 22, 25. Greg, you are so weak, buddy. Alright, let's get back to the I wanna try matching this one this time. Hey. This one kinda looks like the Yevio. It's been oh wait, I have 16 minutes left. Oh, that's way too much time. I'm gonna try this one. And now on to the last one. This one. Now to get my results. And guys, this is well done. Now you get results. Discover how high your IQ is. Get my IQ results. I want my IQ results. Really? I can't believe you're gonna do that to get my IQ results. What a ripoff. Alright. No. Get out of here. No. You shouldn't be seeing this. This is so again you saw oh wow. After this one you're gonna when that clock turns to 9 minutes, I'm only gonna have 6 minutes left. Oh, and you're now only have 6 minutes left. So as you can see I have oh you saw and if you caught it you could see I have how to take care of Hatchimo. Well that's because I have a Hatchimo. And I can prove it if you want me to. I'm gonna get it. Oops. Oh, got it. This is the Hatchimo. Oh yeah. And I can make him talk too. Watch. I'm the best YouTuber in town. See? I can make him talk. So that proves I have a Hatchimo. Alright, now I'm going to turn them off. Ah! Fine, eat first. Nigga, turn him off. Alright. It's been a minute already. Jeez. Alright. Let's see. Smart quiz web AM. Okay, so this is going to be the last quiz. And then if we can get up this video up to about this time 20 viewers, or 19 or 15 or just 5 or 10, then I make a video with my Hatchimo. And if you want, yep. So your goal is 5, 10, 15, 20, and 20 to make, so I can make, if you want me to make a video with my about my Hatchimo. And I know Hatchimos are pretty rare, because and they cost so $65 or $100 and something like that. So, well, there's when it's talking about. What kind of quiz is? Oh, what kind of quiz is this? What was that? Worst quiz I've ever seen. Alright, to finish this video off, I guess we can play one of the quiz games then. How smart are you? Really? Labels. Out of. How smart are you really? How is your brain out of order? Okay, let's play. I think I've seen this one in the. Oh, chicken is a bird of fun, and actually a chicken is a dinosaur too. Got that? It's a add column. A chicken is a no. Let's see, math is okay. This IQ test is boring. We can spend the rest of this video. We have 2 minutes left. Alright. Well, I guess that's it. So, yeah. So, guys, if you enjoyed this video, leave a like. And until next time, I'll see you later.